This Temu fishing lure kit hard bait might look tempting, but I would not treat the main product photo as proof by itself. This keyword has a strong buyer signal, so the important part is filtering hype from real proof. For this outdoor item, I would check three things before buying. First, whether the listing shows the real size and material. Second, whether buyer photos match the promise. And third, whether low-star reviews repeat the same complaint. Quick question before the buyer: if those show up more than once, the low price stops being the main point. The clean buyer test is this: if the review photos prove the exact use case, it can still be interesting. If the listing only has polished images and vague claims, I would wait or compare it against an Amazon listing with clearer reviews. My verdict is mixed, but okay if the product matches your exact use case.